This is Dr. Jessica Han. In this section, we are going to talk about macroevolution. Macroevolution is an evolutionary processes that go beyond the scale of individual populations and species. It includes the origin of new species that is called speciation. It also includes the events such as extinction events and the major structure changes in the evolution. There's a difference between macroevolution and microevolution. Microevolution is the process of speciation due to gene flow. The macroevolution is the speciation process on a larger scale. This could be due to the geological changes or other reasons. The macroevolution is illustrated in Darwin's book. In the diagram, it shows the speciation events leading to biological diversity. This diagram is similar to the modern drawings of phylogenetic charts. The definition of species is a population that is capable of interbreeding to produce healthy, fertile offspring. Speciation means the formation of two species from one original species. There are two mechanisms for speciation in macroevolution. One is called allopatric speciation, the other one is sympatric speciation. In allopatric speciation, the new species is formed due to geographic separation of a population. The organisms will become a new species in a different homeland. Sympatric speciation meaning speciation in the same homeland. This evolutionary process involves speciation occurring within a parent species while remaining in one location. Let's look at the allopatric speciation. When populations become geographically separated, the two populations are able to evolve along different trajectories. Climates, resources, predators, and competitors for the two populations will differ at different locations. Therefore, they will cause the natural selections to favor the divergent adaptations in each group. The genetic and phenotypic divergency between populations will likely affect characters that influence the production for those two populations. In some cases, a population of one species disperses throughout an area, and each finds a distinct niche or isolated habitat. The varied demands of their new lifestyles lead to multiple speciation events originated from one original species. Sympatric speciation could be due to the auto-polyploid process. For example, the diploid parent, while they're doing the mitosis, the duplication was not separated into different cells. All the chromosomes end in one cell. The polyploid offspring will have reproductive isolation with the diploid individuals. They can produce offspring with another polyploid offspring. Therefore, the polyploid offspring will be a new species. When mistake occurs during meiosis, the polyploid gamete will be produced. For example, for species 1, the normal gamete will contain 3 chromosomes, but for species 2, the polyploid gamete will be produced. When they do the first mate, they will produce this product which can further generate polyploid gamete. When the polyploid gamete mate with the normal gamete, they could have a new species compared to species 1 and species 2. Another evidence for sympatric speciation is sea-child fish from Lake Ipoyaki. There are two populations with distinct morphologies and diets now exist in the lake, and the scientists believe these populations may be in an early age of speciation. In summary, macroevolution is driven by the following factors. The first one is speciation. Speciation is the formation of new species through mechanisms like geographic isolation or ecological divergency. Second, extinction, the disappearance of species, which can shape evolutionary trajectories by opening ecological niches. Adaptive radiation is a rapid diversification of a lineage into a variety of forms adapted to different environments. Convergent evolution, unrelated species evolve similar traits due to similar environmental pressures. Gradualism versus punctuated equilibrium. Those are debate over whether evolution occurs slowly or in rapid bursts. This summarizes the mini section of macroevolution.